Yeah, we're just at Pat's Gems. Just having some lunch. Just let you know it's a nice place here. It's actually dog friendly as well.
So you can bring Ruby.
Yeah.
We're tired from the morning at Fossicking.
We've been at Arms Fest, having a good time. Yeah, we've got a little bit of a hunger, so
It's hard work, isn't it? We found a few pretties.
Yeah, a couple of pretty ones.
Colours.
Yeah, so just having some lunch, enjoying some lunch.
And we got you a meat pie, Ruby Rose.
Yeah, really good meat pie.
A beef pie for you. Ruby! Go for a swim?
There you go. Here's a black one.
Zircon. Not a zircon, what do they call it?
Black one.
Onyx. Or spinel. Is there any in this second lot? Oh, look at the green one. It's a bit cloudy though. Did you find another little cleary? But don't you find that rounded than the other places we've been to? Almost like they're water worn. A bit of Corundum.
Yeah, green one.
What colour? There's lots in there, hey? Little blue one's pretty. Shame it's so little. There's a blue one. Oh no, I just dropped it.
I can see green.
Babe,
What?
can you kind of help me? I just dropped a pretty blue one in the grass. You got the good eyes.
Yeah, you got it.
Can you come and help me?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. There.
No, that's not it. That's a rock. It was there like a clear blue one. Yeah, and one in the concrete. Ruby, Daddy trying to help Mummy. Right under your hand there. Ruby, she thinks it's all about her, eh?
Yeah.
No, that was really pretty.
Yeah.
That's a pretty blue one. So you're not going to let me trust me touch them anymore, eh?
Yeah, we've got more.
What do you mean? Aren't you going to look in this bit?
Yeah, we're at the end.
They're just like glass, eh? But these ones do seem clearer.
Checking all those creatures passing
Is that it? Is it empty?
by. Way back to
This
your
one's got the shimmer.
widens all the time.
Oh, we got a few there. There's a few little clearies.
Of the shy
But I gotta find that pretty one I dropped.
that reminds my blood to come alive.
Wasn't it quite as big as that one?
That's pretty good.
Mm.
These worn out shoes. There's no place for my bag. I'm heading out. I don't need no news. There ain't no use for that. Where I'm going.
A big one?
Really?
It widens all the time. It's the first
That one's really smooth.
that reminds my blood to come alive. Don't take me downtown.
There's a little diamond. Wishful thinking.
For too long. Don't make
You do this side.
That one's good.
I'm seeing it through
Can you get it?
this time. My old company. That's way back to your heart. Well, it widens all the time. It's the first soft light of the shy desert morning that reminds my blood to come alive.
Like you just want a beer.
No.
Yeah. A beer o'clock. You can't give up now, babe. This is where your eyes are needed with all these tiny little ones. That have bones in it.
Yeah. You got the little fingers, yeah. Look.
Yeah, but you got the good eyes.
Yeah, but I can't pick them up.
Well, you point them out to me and I'll pick them up.
Yeah. Look, there.
They go in the clear pile.
Yeah, one here. There's two there, actually. Three.
Two. Yeah, they're too small to cut. Too small to cut, eh? Somebody stick a big one in there for us. Babe, I've got some colour coordinating going on here. This is the clearies over here. These little ones could be diamonds, babe. It's got a bit of clear in it. It would be nice to have your own little mine and get all the good ones before they take them all, hey? There's a clearing. ready for a nana nap. Look at Ruby. What are you doing? You tired from your swim. Just pretend to be interested, babe.
Yeah, I could see that.
Oh, good, that's better. Bit more enthusiasm, please. Just pretend to care. Do you like how I separated them into different colours there?
Very good, that is very...
Very exciting.
Yeah. So do you think the $80 bag's worth it, or...?
These are clearer. Well, since you've got such delicate little fingers, do you want to put them back in there?
We'll tip it in the other bag, the bigger bag.
Kinda thought she was into me, but I guess not. From the way that she looked and spoke to me, I lost the plot. Don't wanna hear about her with anybody in case you forgot.
And these are some of the clearer ones that we got. Some pretties in there. The green's pretty. The big one looks a little bit like a topaz.
But I won't let what's meant to be slip away from me. Embrace destiny. I'm
So we found some more, but we separated the ones that were clear from the more darker ones. I'll put these on the torch next to show you what they look like on the torch. They just look like gravel, but they're actually pretty on the torch. And that's a nice little wad of jimmies. Very pretty. A few zircons in there as well. Those blues are just so pretty. So vivid. That's like electric blue. Nice. Good on your arms first. So these were the ones that were dark to the eye. But once on the torch, as you can see, they've got the beautiful colour. Which hopefully will show if cut. Aren't they so pretty? Like you could just stare at them for hours. The pretty blues. It looks like there's a couple of Parti sapphires in there too, which is, from my understanding, they've got a little bit of different colours in the one stone and the one sapphire.